Menlo Business Park is approximately 14 individual buildings approaching 1 million square feet in total scale. The utilities consumed just to keep folks lit and at a reasonable temperature for their workday can be a phenomenal amount of energy. And we have just recently undertaken a project to retrofit almost 5,000 light fixtures and 250 thermostat controls for the HVAC systems.
What Tarlton Properties has done with Menlo Business Park is something that a lot of business parks should aspire to either learn about or achieve themselves, and take advantage of the different rebates and explore the different options. We were able to use some of our core programs which involve express efficiencies. We were also able to explore emerging technologies funding with the different software and products that Dave was incorporating.
Being able to pull from PG&E's various incentives, we're able to deliver an integrated solution from day one. The majority of the lighting project here at Menlo Business Park was the retrofit of existing fixtures, removing the old lamps, removing the ballast that was in there, putting up a new sealed lighting kit with the new T5 lamps and a control system.
The current project utilizes a dimming ballast in all of the fluorescent light fixtures, so that with controls on a cloud-based remote dashboard control system, literally fixture by fixture, you can program a light over an individual workstation or a pair of lights in an individual private office. If we get the message from the PG&E grid management office, we can create an energy reduction for that particular peak demand event.
The point of doing the retrofit versus doing new fixtures is that Menlo Business Park and Tarlton Properties had decided that they wanted to have the least amount going to landfill as possible. So while it would have been slightly less expensive in terms of product, slightly less time in terms of labor, this methodology allowed us to save that much more product from going to landfill.
We were recently visited by a tenant prospect, and that CEO was in a chain of tours for that day. But upon seeing our recent retrofits and our awareness for utility consumption management, the CEO turned to their broker and said, "We don't need to go any further today. This is where we're going to stay." The payback on all of these improvements is over a period of less than 5 years. Then immediate dramatic savings are calculated to be in the range of 30% from their previous levels. And last year our total PG&E bill was in the range of $1.5 million. And if you take $1.5 million and chop 30% out of that, that is an appreciable incentive to respect the environment and improve the business environment as well. This project is a win-win for both the property manager as well as the tenant.